Let's check in on the markets now. Joining us from CommSec is Craig James. Craig, good morning. Good to see you. What is your expectation for how the markets will open today?
Well, the futures market's pointing to a softer start for the Australian share market, down around about 11 points at the start of trade, or 0.2%. We saw similar sorts of losses across the United States, although the UK was higher by 0.2%. The main concern in terms of markets at the moment is the slow progress in the debt ceiling talks in the United States, although what we did have on Friday, Jerome Powell, the chair of the Federal Reserve, the central bank in the United States, indicated that interest rates may not have to rise too much further from current levels. We saw the Dow Jones in the United States down 109 points, or 0.3%, and the Nasdaq was down by 0.2%. What will be weighing on our energy sector today is the fact that the Brent and the NYMEX oil prices were both down in the order of 0.4%. Gold should have a reasonable day because the gold price was up almost $22 an ounce, or 1.1%, and iron ore, not much of a lead-in for our iron ore players, down 17 cents a tonne, or 0.2%. We haven't got any major economic data in Australia or the United States today. There will be the release of the new loan prime rates in terms of China, so that'll be a focus today. Later this week, we do have retail trade in Australia on Friday, and we've got some key figures in the United States, such as the minutes of the last Federal Reserve meeting, and also economic growth and inflation figures coming out on Friday as well. So a little bit of a busy week, but so mostly towards the tail end of the week.
All right, a lot on this week. Craig, thank you. See you shortly.